let's start. So if black connect, then black is in trouble. Black is in a big trouble. And white can attach, and then there is a call. So besides, black play this one, and white through here is a call, and it's a two steps call for white. It's a one step call for black, two steps call for white. Beside this one, black can just tanuki when white make this kusumi. Black can just tanuki here. Okay. And this is the answer for the top left corner. Just play the tiger mouth, Atari, connect honey, and make the eye here. So after this one, let's study the bottom right corner. Bottom right corner. So this corner actually we can replay it, and I will now just clear this corner. So this corner is just play like 3-4 points corner approach on the other side and protect the corner. Knight move and white tanuki cut descent and black play this one. This is a Tsuji of endgame. So today I want you to learn this one first. This is one Tsuji here. If white Atari, black can draw back here, and white honey, and black play this one. And this shape for black is very solid, and besides, black can get some benefits. So this is very happy for black. Black will be very happy. If white block and white black connect, white make this bend, and now I see two answers. One is here, another one is here. Okay, Nicholas, you choose to play A, but I saw Benoit's answer is on B. Okay, so let's see. I think B is the right answer. Okay. So sometimes the dumb player is just stronger than Q player. Is the differences is just on the details. So here is the detail. If black play this one and white will play this one, black block and white kill the corner. So now this is the first variation. Let's see the second one. If you play this one, the only answer for white is to block. And now you can attach. Now, seems there is only two moves different, but sometimes it will make a big differences. You see D1 and E1. If you have stones later on this side, and now white cannot connect. But if you play like this, white can connect. So one more stone on the first line just have benefit, not bad things for black. So now black is very happy to have this exchange. Okay. So this time Benoit is totally correct. Okay. So let's turn to the lower right corner. Benoit said there is only one move, that is Q1. Q1. So Q1 is right. Q1 is right. Okay. Let's see Q1. And if you play Q1 here, I will answer here. So black will Hane, Atari. And where is the next move? Where is the next move? Everyone, where is the next move? R1. Okay, very smart. Everyone is smart because now some of Chinese dance students they will play this Atari because they see that white cannot connect, but they neglect, they ignore that white can tie his liberty. So liberty is a very, very important aspect in the end games. You need to focus on your opponent's liberty defect. You have to pay attention to your liberty defect. Okay, so now let's see. The answer of this problem is RQ1. And I have one more question. What if I play this one? And where is your answer? Please tell me. Please tell me. Where is the answer of this problem? Okay, anything to say? S3. So, Bagash, hello. If you play S3 and I extend here, is extend on R2. Can you leave? Or can you do something here? I think no. I think no. R2, okay, Benoit again. And I will Atari. Where's the next move for black? Yeah, very smart move. Yes, very smart move. Now white can only connect. So let's see. So the first problem on the top left corner, it tells us that we focus on the end game, but we also focus on the life and death problem. Okay, sometimes end games has some relationship with life and death problem. The second one tells us that the details when we tight our opponent's liberty, and we have to tight some liberty first, and then we tight other liberties second, and then we need to tight liberty one by one, and every liberty has differences. Okay, so the last, the lower right corner, there is about how to make something happen in your opponent's territory. Okay, so this is the answer, right? Everybody have done a good job. Have done a good job here. So last problem is it's much more difficult. It's much more difficult. You have to find out the best move for black. At the same time, you need to find out the best move for your opponents. Okay, we need to study this problem in two parts. First, we need to find out the best move for black. Okay, this is the first. Second, how white answer. This is the second. And every different answer will lead us different results. Okay, now, so the first, you need to find out the best answer. Okay, let's start. Okay, you have about 3 minutes to find out the best move. Black first, and how to make something happen in this corner. Okay, I thought, I see that our friends Benoit said this one, and I suppose this is not the best. So okay, I see EXO T19, T18, and O19. Okay, so three answers. Okay, first, let's find something T17. Okay, we find out this one by one. Okay, so there's one. Will you play this one? And white will answers here. And now the best move. Now I only see the best move. I won't make any questions for you. Okay, there's one. And descend. Now we have to find out the best move. That is, this is the white's best move. And you have to connect. And now Atari and descend. White has about 5 points, and black can capture 2 stones and he gets 1 point. So 5 points for white and 1 point for black. So we minus 5 minus 1 is 4 points. So white still have 4 points. Okay, so this is the first. And if you play tens move, Mr. 10, and you play this one, it's the same. It's the same. It's the same. So these two are the same. And let's see Exo's move. This one and Benoit's move on this move area. So you play this one. I had two choices. First, I can just block. I haven't seen anything that black can do. I think T17 is not a really good move. Not a really good move. Because seems there is nothing. You descend, I just Atari. So seems nothing. And I have to see that EXO has made a really good job. Okay, that's one. So we find out that this one is the best move. Now I give you several choices. Okay, actually you said it's a coal, but definitely it's not a coal. It's not a coal. So now I give you several choices and 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I give you 4 choices and 2 minutes, and you tell me which one is the best move for white. Okay, please tell me which move is the best for white. So somebody will be still confused. What is the T18? And in these 2 minutes, you can think about how T18 do and what is the function of T18. First, I didn't give you the T17 now. I didn't give you T17 because T17 is not good. Okay, I see one student choose A, another one choose A. Okay, 2 choices, A as well. Okay, B, 1B, A, B, C. You think that D is stupid, right? I think so because I don't know why I put 1 stone on D. D is not smart. D is not smart. Okay, 30 seconds. Everyone can change. Everyone can change. If you think now, okay, I think A is smart, I will choose A. I think C is not good. Okay, I think B is very good. I can choose B. Okay, everyone can change. Okay, last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Okay, everyone. Now we've got 2A, 3A. Okay, 3A, 1B, 1C. Okay, let's start one by one from D to A. Okay, from D to A. If you play D, nobody choose D. Okay, I will just connect. And now you want to make a leaf, but definitely it's a call. So you let a living group to almost die. Now it's a call. It's almost died. So definitely D is not a smart decision. Okay, so let's see C. Now black will connect as well. Black will connect as well. Okay, XO you choose to play B. Okay, now let's just solve them one by one. Okay, and then where's the white? Where's the next move for white? Descend. If you throw here, it's a call. If you throw on T17, it's a call. But if you descend, now black has 2 choices. One is to connect. Now white has 2 points. Okay, white has 2 points. 1, 2. And black has 1, 3, 4 and is 2 points as well. So let's go back. If black honey, can white play this one? He can or he cannot. I think the answer is cannot because now it's not living group, it's a call. It's a call. So white has to make leave. He has to throw and capture Atari capture. So now white capture 2 stones, but black capture 1 stone in these 2 stones. So white had 3 points, and black has about 4 points because 2 stones plus 1 point, and definitely this variation is better for black. This variation is better for black. Mm, so now I want you to tell me one thing. If later the problem becomes this, so in this area, how do we count the points? How many points does black have and how many points does white have? Okay, this is how many points does black have? One third. Okay, one third. White, two thirds. Okay, thirds. Okay, any thoughts? One third, two third, or more? Or more? Very exciting, very exciting. Yes, I think I got one correct answer in this problem. In this. Okay, I think we have talked about this last time. Yeah, but easy, right? So first, there is no point for white. There is no point for white because in this area, white won't have 1 point because if black, if later black capture and white nuki black connect, there will be 1 point for black. Okay, again, there will be 1 point for black. But if white connect now, there will be no point for both. So one move for white, two moves for black, and finally there is 1 point. So each move's value is one third. So now without this move, black has one third and white white capture no stones. White would play this one. Yeah, there is no stone for white. Yeah, black just capture connect. And if white capture one stone, then white has two thirds. That's right. But sometimes our dumb player would also make a mistake. That is, which one takes the first stone in this area? And you shouldn't forget that. Because if you want to become a strong dumb player, or if you want to be a strong Go player, you need to remember every capture. Okay, what about T15? T15 is a very, very difficult question. Okay, so it's it's different from different situation. If if there is one black stone, then this question would be easy. Then this question would be easy because if black connect now white no key and black connect, black has 2 points. And this is very easy. 2 points for black, but if white capture this, white capture, and I do not want this question very difficult. I would see 1 point for black and 1 point for white. So now capture will be on it's about 2 points. But if there is no stone and you capture this, and this will be very tricky because sometimes this capture would help white to connect. But if there is black's territory, and now we see there would be like this one. Okay. Anyway, um, it's about at least 3 points now. At least 3 points or more, or maybe 4 points. Maybe four. Maybe four. So it differs from different situation. So just come back. Just come back. We return. We go too far. We go too far. So this one we remember that if white play this one, if white choose to play this one, the C choice, and white will have about 3 points, and black will have 5 points. So definitely this is not the best, maybe not the best. And also black has the center. Okay, let's see B here. So after black plays B, where is the best move for black? After white play T16, where is the best move for black? R18? I don't think so. If you play R18, I wedge here. I wedge. I think you dead. Black all dies here. If R18 is valid, if R18 is can be played, white will die. White will die here. So definitely this is not the white move. S18, okay. Yeah, S18. And it would be a Seki, right? Very smart play. But definitely it's not the best move. You are very smart, but it's not the best. Okay, last minute. Where is the best move? During you are thinking, I can tell you a story of this problem. S19. Okay, S19, you can just think about this. I can tell you a story of this endgame. Actually, this endgame is just one little part in an endgame problem. The endgame problem is 13 times 13 board. Okay, 13 times 13 board. And it's a very difficult problem, and it named the most difficult problem in the endgame problem. Okay, so this is only the one part, and this must be a problem in a problem. Very difficult. So I see the answer O19. Yes, O19 is right. O19 is right. Q19 S18. And now we see the biggest difference between this one and the last one. White, it equals that white put one stone here. He just let him to reduce one more point. He used one stone, he used one move to reduce 1 point for himself. So definitely this variation is better. So now black 1 point, white 1 point, and black has the center. Black has the center. Remember this? 1 to 1 and B center. Okay, now let's see A. So if you play A here, what should black do here? What should black do now? Okay, I do not want to waste much time here. Black will just honey again. And now, oh no, make Kasumi here. And it would develop to this one. Okay, so now white captured 2 stones, black captured 2, and black got 3 points, and white got 2. And the only difference is that on the previous variation, white has a stone here on T16, and is it has 1 point? Definitely not. Definitely not. Because if we put one more white stone here and one black stone here, and black just has 1/3 point more. So if we compare these two variations, definitely this one is better for white. This one is better for white. So now we have the conclusion. That is S17 is the right answer. S17 is the right answer. And between S17 and T16, there is only this difference. Two-thirds, two-thirds points difference. Okay, I think this is the beautiful place of Go game. It's very interesting. A and B, there are only two-thirds differences. Okay. Okay. So compare this one. Other three are very interesting, but are very easy and very interesting. This one seems very complicated, and maybe for somebody, maybe it's really boring because it needs too many calculation. But for someone who really enjoy to calculate this, is would be very interesting. But for me, I do not like this. Okay. We close this one, and before that, I will just save this and let's go to a new one. Let's go to a new one. Okay. A new one would be a little bit easier. A little bit easier.